greetings. It is Sunday, January 18th, 2026. It's still weird having to say the year. Anyways, today we are preparing for our next adventure, or we're leaving for our next adventure. But first, it is bright and early, so we're gonna get ourselves some breakfast. So, let's go. We were craving pancakes, so went to IHOP. Okay, breakfast is done. It was delicious. IHOP, good for some, quick, fast pancakes. But for this adventure, we're actually heading back to Europe, Spain to be exact, all the way on the east side of the country. Last time we went there, we went on the Camino. I will link the playlist on that one if you want to catch up on that series. But this time around, we are actually going to Barcelona, doing some work there and also, exploring as well. A lot of things brewing underneath the surface, but it's exciting. There's a lot of things coming up, a lot of good things, and yeah, I'm just excited. On this trip, Mama J is not coming with us, unfortunately, but on the next one, hopefully, when I eventually do go back at some point, she will be coming along. But you will be heading there with our good friend Ian. We will be doing some work there, as well as seeing the Artquemy gallery, which is pretty awesome. The gallery that he co-owns in Barcelona. So that's gonna be fun, and we're gonna explore as well while we're there when we have some downtime. So yeah, I'm just excited to bring you guys along. But of course, I have a pit stop to make first before heading to the airport. So we're gonna do that in just a bit. But first, let's finish packing. Hi, Mama J. Sorry you're not going to come around this time. Next time. Next trip.
Bill Miller, but
no, it can never be.
Pit stop number 1. San Juan Capistrano. A bit crowded here on this Sunday. Look who it is! Mr. Ian! Woo! We're gonna be traveling together, just do a little pit stop here in San Juan.
Yeah, where are we headed?
We're going to Barcelona.
Wow! Woohoo!
Like I said, we're gonna see Artquemy, the home of Artquemy in Barcelona. So we're gonna do last minute packing here and then head our way to LAX.
Que tengas un buen día. Vamos, venga.
Checked in through security.
We did it.
And
this is my 13th trip to Barcelona.
13th trip for Ian. 3 years. Mine is my second in 6 years, I think. But won't be my last for sure. Guaranteed.
We'll see. Vamos a ver.
So right now we're gonna find our gate and then relax until our boarding, which is roughly about 7:55, I think. So we have time. We're good. We're good. Chilling here, relaxing. we have about an hour and a half before our flight takes off, so at least we're all checked in. Our gate's close by, which is great. And now we can just relax until then.
But yeah.
As he says. Anyways, don't listen to him. Don't listen to him. No. Don't listen to this guy.
No.
Don't.
I'm nothing good to say. Nothing.
Here we are on our seats.
Oh my gosh. So I've been going to Barcelona now almost 4 years. And it's Jen's first time.
In a long time.
With me.
Yeah. First time with you.
It's gonna be a little dangerous, a little fun. No, it's gonna be dangerous. It's gonna be
It's gonna
amazing.
be good. It's gonna be good. Looking forward to it.
She's ready.
I'm ready. Flight's taken off here in Level Airlines that we're taking to Barcelona. I think it's an affiliate of Iberia, but so far flight's been good. Really not much in terms of amenities, so this is like the basic airline you can get. But so far so good. Flight's going smooth. We left about 7:55. We'll probably get to Barcelona around 4 in the afternoon. So it's not too bad. Hopefully soon we'll get our first dinner. First meal, we got the chicken and rice. It's an interesting to-go box tray or foldable tray. So, also, the bread is warm. You want salads, brownie bar, of course the butter. Just made it through immigration. We landed. Barcelona, safe and sound.
What do you sleep? Between 1 star and 5 stars.
My sleep was 1.5.
1.5 stars on my side.
1.5 stars. So now we're just picking up the luggage that we checked in, full of stuff. So, yeah.
Baggage time. This is the moment of truth.
Yes.
We packed all our stuff right.
And then head to the Airbnb. Maybe take a little nap while we're at it. We'll see. Luggage is secured. made it to our Airbnb for at least the first portion of our trip. Give you a little mini tour. So this is our living room or dining area. We got a little kitchenette here with a mini stove if you want to cook, coffee maker, hot tea, kettle thing. Ian's got the master bedroom here.
Which essentially is saying it's not 2 beds, it's 1 bed.
That's true. Little tiny master bedroom here, a little gated window. I'm not sure why there's a gated window, but it does open if you want fresh air. So that opens. And then, oh yeah, bathroom, of course. I get the room over here.
Big old sliding door.
Yeah. Oh yeah, by the way, we also have a little balcony.
Ooh.
It's raining right now, so, you know. No, not yet. But this is the room I am in. I got the 2 beds so I could like scatter my stuff, sleep on the other. But it does have a little sliding door for privacy if you want it, so yeah. Okay. Now, settle in for a little bit, and then we're probably gonna go to the grocery store, get some stuff for the week here, and then probably get some dinner. But first, a little power nap. So I will see you in a bit. Chilled a little bit, Airbnb. Heading out, grab a bite to eat, meet a couple friends.
Okay.
And then get some supplies for the Airbnb on the way back.
Okay.
And then call it a night, because tomorrow it's gonna be a fun day. Back at the Airbnb, we're tired, jet lagged, but had some good food, met up with some good friends, and we'll do it again tomorrow. But we'll call it here for this video. Thank you so much for joining me. I hope you have or had a good time, and join us for the next adventure, because we're gonna be doing quite a bit. So until then, I will see you all on the next video. Hope you're doing well. Take care.